Welcome back, viewers. There are major developments that are happening in Tamil Nadu, and if everything works according to plan, then TVK could be meeting. The TVK chief Vijay could be meeting the governor very soon to stake claim to form the government, because what we are getting is a dramatic political twist that may now reshape the government formation battle in Tamil Nadu. Sources indicate that around 20 AIADMK MLAs or more than that are willing to extend their support to TVK chief Vijay in his bid to form the government in Tamil Nadu, and the move is being backed by senior AIADMK leaders and former ministers including SP Velumani, CV Shanmugam and C Vijay Bhaskar, signaling possible cracks within the AIADMK camp after the election verdict. And this development could significantly alter the numbers game for TVK, which had fallen short of the majority mark in the 234-member assembly. If the support materializes formally, Vijay's path to chief minister's chair could become considerably smoother, even as political negotiations intensified behind closed doors. Meanwhile, the VCK, which has 2 seats, has allegedly or reportedly announced its support for Vijay, and after VCK's support, TVK chief Vijay is likely to meet Governor R.V. Arlekar to stake claim to form the government. Remember, viewers, pressure is already mounting on the governor to invite Vijay first and allow a floor test later. And the big boost for the TVK camp has come from CPI, whose support now takes Vijay's tally to 116, 2 short of the magic number. Earlier, the Vijay camp had received a major boost, with CPM also officially extending support, and then Congress as well has extended its support to Vijay. And this has now added crucial momentum to Vijay's push towards Fort St. George at a time when political pressure is rapidly building. And this is the breaking news, viewers, that we are tracking. VCK has extended unconditional support for Vijay's TVK, and this means that Vijay has touched the magic number mark. Two MLAs is what Vijay needed, and VCK is now extending unconditional support for Vijay's TVK, which takes the tally from 116 to 118, which makes him ready to stake claim to form the government. He will be meeting Governor Arlekar very shortly with the letter of support from all of them. He will be presenting them at the Raj Bhavan, and then next stop is the oath taking. Vijay's CM moment is finally very close, viewers, and we also have Thoya Jakshi Shekhar joining us live on this broadcast. Thoya, these are some fast-paced developments happening. AIADMK's 20+ MLAs are ready to support Vijay. On the other hand, VCK has offered unconditional support for Vijay. Is this a game of who reaches Vijay first?
Well, of course, Deepak, this is a big breaking for the state of Tamil Nadu as well as for TVK. Now that VCK has finally extended their unconditional support for TVK to form the government in the state of Tamil Nadu, you can also see that VCK chief told Tirumavalan is handing over the unconditional letter to TVK General Secretary Adav Arjuna over there, and also now that on the other hand, AIADMK having 20+ MLAs willing to support, extend their support for TVK Vijay to form the government in the Tamil Nadu. But you can also see that what we are getting as of now is that the meeting that is going on in between CV Shanmugam, SP Velumani and C Vijay Bhaskar at MRC Nagar office of CV Shanmugam, where now that 20 MLAs who are willing to support TVK Vijay to form the government. Now that the big breaking that we're getting is the VCK final decision has been made by VCK, that VCK chief Tirumavalan handing over the letter to Adav Arjuna, and also giving unconditional support for TVK to form the government. In a very short while, we can also expect that TVK Vijay will be heading towards the governor's office to meet Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar to give all these supporting letters, and also governor will verify these letters, and very soon governor is expected to invite TVK chief Vijay to form the government and to do the swearing in ceremony.
Verification of these letters is very important, because TTV Dinakaran just earlier in the day had said that there was a forged letter of support that TVK had used in the Raj Bhavan. But another quick takeaway, viewers, is that after Congress, it's the VCK that has dumped the DMK. Thoya, how far is Vijay, or how close is Vijay to forming a government and becoming the chief minister?
Very close from now, because all these while it was 116. Now they have reached the magic number, that is 118, Deepak, where you can also see that TVK is just one step ahead to do the swearing in ceremony and to form the government, where you can also see that it is expected very soon. As I told you before, it is expected that Vijay will right now he's at his Patinapakam residence. Very soon, he will be heading towards the Lok Bhavan to meet the governor, and he will be submitting these letters to do the verification, as well as it is expected very soon that Lok Bhavan will also give us a official statement inviting TVK Chief Vijay to do the swearing in and to form the government in the Tamil Nadu state.
Chief Minister, demand placed by the VCK, are we looking at, these demands being fulfilled by the TVK, or what are we looking at? Multiple deputy chief ministers?
As of now, what we are getting to know at this point is, the letter has been given to Adav Arjuna, the TVK's general secretary, where you can also see that the letter is seen as unconditional support for Vijay. So we have to see what are the demands that VCK had made to TVK. One is definitely the deputy chief minister position that they had demanded for, and the other thing is they were also seeking for cabinet ministerial post in TVK's cabinet. So we'll have to see whether these two demands have been fulfilled. And VCK chief was so demanding that only if these two demands are fulfilled, we will be giving our support to form the government. So we'll have to see. Once we get the official letter in our hands, we will be reading out what exactly is mentioned in that letter, Deepak.
Oh yeah, as far as the numbers are concerned, now Vijay has 118, the magic number, but there are 20 plus AIADMK MLAs who are willing to offer support to TVK. Will Vijay accept it? Given the fact that he has already crossed the magic number?
What we are seeing right now is till now the AIADMK has not got any invitation from TVK Chief Vijay to support to give a support to TVK to form the government. But what we are seeing here is this talk came 2 days before saying that CV Shanmugam and SP Velumani, who are the two ex-ministers of AIADMK, and under them there are 20 plus MLAs who are willing to extend their support for Vijay to form the government. But what we are seeing right now is, one hand, there is Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, who is, doing a meeting at his residence with the MLAs. On the other hand, the friction of three ex-ministers of AIADMK, that is SP Velumani, CV Shanmugam, and C. Vijay Bhaskar, who is holding a meeting at CV Shanmugam's office in MRC Nagar in Chennai with 20 plus MLAs. So we'll have to see what kind of decision that they will make, whether they himself will go and join TVK, or they are expecting Vijay to give them a letter to say that to come and support to form the government in the state. So as of now, both the one hand EPS is doing the meeting, one hand it is CV Shanmugam who is doing the meeting. So 5 o'clock we will be getting to know what decision that AIADMK 20 MLAs have taken. But as of now, the big breaking is VCK has finally extended their unconditional support for TVK to form the government. You can also see that the TVK supporters who has been waiting since morning at TVK's headquarters in Paniyur, as well as at Vijay's residence in Neelangarai, are celebrating with glory that finally that now Vijay has reached 118 seats with the support of Congress with 5 seats, CPI with 2 seats, CPM with 2 seats, and BCK with 2 seats. That will totally come to 118. So the magic number, the TVK has reached the magic number, and finally TVK will be forming the government under the support of Congress, CPI, CPM, and VCK Deepak. And we know that for a fact that Congress has betrayed DMK for its 20 years of legacy that the Congress had with DMK. Now Congress have come out from the DMK alliance, and now they have got into TVK's alliance, and they are supporting. On the other hand, CPI and CPM, who are supporting from outside, and they have made it very clear that CPI, CPM will not be a part of the cabinet nor the alliance. But here, VCK also is supporting Vijay. We'll have to see if the demands are met or if he is supporting from outside. But right now, what we are getting to know is that VCK is giving unconditional support for Vijay to form the government.
That's right, Thoya. Can we expect some last minute setbacks like we did in the last 24 hours? Or is the alliance
As
airtight,
you see now,
sealed?
like you're showing me an action that it is sealed. Yeah, it is definitely sealed right now. That 118 seats have been sealed as of now. Very soon, TVK chief Vijay will be going towards the governor's mansion to meet Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. He will be submitting these support letters to TVK to governor, and very shortly, even a governor will be announcing it very officially, inviting TVK Chief Vijay to do the swearing in and to form the government in the state.
Yeah, the path to this moment was not easy for Vijay. There were multiple setbacks, multiple, instances of, probably soul searching, because 107 is not the magic number, and it was really, really tough phase for Vijay, especially till this moment, to get to the magic number, because you never knew who's going to support. But it was CK has sealed the deal with TVK, and when is the oath taking ceremony, Thoya? Because that's the big question now.
Well, it was as per yesterday evening. It was supposed to happen by today 11 a.m. Deepak, the swearing in ceremony. But what we are seeing now is today finally the VCK has taken its decision by extending the support for TVK. After Vijay meeting the governor, only then we will be getting a clarity when will the swearing in ceremony take place, because most likely tomorrow, or it can also happen on Monday, that is on the 11th of May. So we'll have to wait and see for the confirmation of the dates for the swearing in. But as of now, it is a celebration mode for the
Right,
state of
Thoya, there's
Tamil Nadu.
excitement in the air and celebrations have already begun in TVK camp. Thank you, Thoya, for joining me with all the details.